dahil ang mga sumasali dito, todo kargado.
This is your #1 radio station and
Sa namumuna at nag-iisang talent show ng bayan, ang Talentadong Pinoy!
Nagbabalik ang labanan ng galing ng Pinoy dito sa paborito niyong talent show on TV, ang Talentadong Pinoy. Sa mga gusto pong makasama bilang jury dito sa ating show, just email to us your resume at talentadojury@tv5.com.ph. Again, that's talentadojury@tv5.com.ph. Okay guys, are you ready? You ready? Ito na ang inaabangan nating lahat. Ang resulta ng ating comeback episode. Jury, may I please have the results? Our jury for tonight is composed of an online English teacher, a cafe owner, a nurse, a traveling teller, a team leader, a business officer, a sales representative, and the chairperson of our jury tonight is a Talentadong Hall of Famer, Juan Lu. Magandang gabi, Chairman. It's nice to see you again.
Good evening, Ryan.
Meron na po bang resulta ang ating jury?
Yes, we have.
I have it, please. Okay, Chairman, bago ko kayo pakawalan, meron pa kayong mga gustong sabihin sa ating audience?
Yes, Ryan. Imbitahin ko lang ang ating mga kapatid. Pakiabangan nyo po. We have a new segment sa Pool sa 5. Kasama ko po ang aking animatronic monkey puppet na si Enchong Go.
Enchong Go.
That's right. Magtuturo po kami doon sa mga bata. Tamang-tama bakasyon ng science, magic, puppetry. Marami pang iba. Si Enchong Go po, mapapanood nyo rin regularly sa Wow! May ganon. And last but not the least, Ryan, I'd like to invite everyone. Meron po akong solo show sa Cultural... That's right. Solo show. Can you believe it? Sa Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP, Tanghalang Hoseng Batute. April 17, 9 a.m. po ang first set, 10:30 a.m. ang second set. Ang title ng show, One Lu, One Earth, Me, Myself, and Planet Earth.
Nice.
Ito po ay Earth Day celebration ng Cultural Center of the Philippines.
Well, looking forward to your shows, and it's very good to see you again, Juan Lu.
Thank you very much, Ryan.
Talentadong Hall of Famer, Juan Lu, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, this is how it works. Dahil wala tayong defending champion, ang mananalo tonight will automatically win 50,000 pesos and of course, that chance to defend the title bilang champion ng Talentadong Pinoy. Pero, ang kagandahan naman ito, walang uuwing luhaan. Lahat naman kayo, manalo matalo, may 5,000 pesos. So guys, thank you very much for putting on a good show. Skydome! Gusto ko kayong tanongin, sino sa tingin nyo ang karapat-dapat magbalik para depensahan ng corona? May 1, may 3, may 6, may 7. Well, here you go. 1/3 ng ating scores ay galing sa ating talent scouts. At ang mas mabigat na 2/3 ay binibigay ng ating jury. And here are the results. Ang Talentadong Pinoy ngayong gabi na mag-uwi ng 50,000 at mag-uumpisa ng lakbay patungong Hall of Fame ay wala iba kundi congratulations! $50,000 to you, Salgado Sister! To all our other Talentados, thank you very much. Thank you guys, Salgado Sisters. Congratulations ladies, nagsimula na ang inyong lakbay patungong Hall of Fame. Tuloy ang laban bukas, kaya galingan ninyo. Mga kapatid, magkita-kita tayo uli. Ako po si Ryan Agoncillo at ito ang pinakamalaking talent show on Philippine Television.
Saan mo matatagpuan ang pinakamaraming multo? Kung ang sagot mo ay sementeryo, nagkakamali ka.